If your computer is running slow or experiencing issues, there are a number of things you can do to improve its performance. Here are 5 tips to help you get the most out of your computer. Close unnecessary programs and processes. When you have multiple programs running at the same time, it can put a strain on your computer's resources and cause it to slow down. Close any programs that you are not using to free up memory and processing power. You can also use the Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac to view and end any unnecessary processes. Keep your operating system and software up to date. Outdated software can cause issues with your computer, such as security vulnerabilities and compatibility issues. Make sure to keep your operating system and all of your software up to date to ensure that you have the latest fixes and improvements. Run regular maintenance tasks. Regular maintenance tasks like disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, and virus scans can help improve your computer's performance. These tasks can help free up space on your hard drive, organize your files more efficiently, and protect against malware. Adjust your power settings. If you are using a laptop, you can extend the battery life and improve performance by adjusting your power settings. For example, you can set your computer to high performance mode when you need maximum performance, and switch to power saver mode when you don't need as much power. Upgrade your hardware. If your computer is really struggling to keep up with your needs, you may want to consider upgrading your hardware. For example, you can add more RAM to increase the amount of memory available to your computer, or replace an older hard drive with a faster solid-state drive. By following these steps, you can help keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently.